Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Control LEDs from Mobile App using Blynk app using Raspberry Pi Pico with ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So in this project we are using an Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module and one 5 volts power supply module, and there are 4 relay coil: relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, 5 volts relay coil, SPDT relay, and we are using bulbs: red LED, green LED, yellow LED and green LED. So there are the 4 on off buttons, so you can press on off button. So first of all we need to provide the mobile data. Go to mobile data on, and as well as Wi-Fi hotspot on. So in the Wi-Fi hotspot the username and password is project1234. Okay, done. So here we are giving the Wi-Fi hotspot internet with a user ID and password, Raspberry Pi Pico board, and 16 cross 2 5 volts power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply board, and relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, 4 relay coils. So red LED, so this is the LED strips, so red, blue, yellow, green. So it is connected. Wi-Fi module is connected to the internet. So red one on, blue one on, green on, yellow on, yellow off, blue off, green off and red off. So ESP8266 module and one Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board, 5 volts power supply module, and 5 channel relay coil board, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, LED strip 1, strip 2, so blue color LED, yellow color LED, green LED. Bulb 1 off, bulb 2 off, bulb 3 off, bulb 3. This is Blynk app, which is from the Google Play Store, and we created the Google Blynk app and home automation. Okay, bulb 1. So it is connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot internet with the user ID, password, mobile data. So it is and the IP address. So now I'm going to connect 2 fans and 2 bulbs to control from the same application, fan controlling as well as light controlling. Next project. Thank you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded.